अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। अगर आप एफपीएससी या पीपीएससी के इकोनॉमिक्स के लेक्चरशिप BS17 स्केल्स की जॉब की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये ऑब्जेक्टिव आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बेस्ट हैं। याद रहे कि इससे पिछली वीडियो में हमने 1 से लेकर 40 तक एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस किया था। आज की इस वीडियो में हम 41 से लेकर 60 ऑब्जेक्टिव तक डिस्कस करेंगे। Objective number 41. Which of the following would likely make the demand for a product more inelastic? Option A, availability of close substitution. Option B, the product being a necessary. Option C, the product representing a large portion of the consumer budget. Option D, a long time horizon of adjustment. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, द प्रोडक्ट बीइंग ए नेसेसिटी। ऑब्जेक्टिव नंबर 42. ए डिक्रीज इन द प्राइस ऑफ गुड विल कॉज द डिमांड कर्व टू ऑप्शन ए शिफ्ट टू द राइट, ऑप्शन बी शिफ्ट टू द लेफ्ट, ऑप्शन सी रिमेन अनचेंज्ड, ऑप्शन डी बिकेम स्टीपर। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, रिमेन अनचेंज्ड। ऑब्जेक्टिव नंबर 43. If a good has a positive income elasticity of demand, it is considered as option A, normal good, option B, inferior good, option C, Giffen good, option D, Veblen good. Correct option है option number A, normal goods. Objective number 44. In the case of perfectly competitive market, the market price is determined by option A, the interaction of market demand and market supply curves. Option B, the individual demand curve of each consumer. Option C, the cost structure of the firm. Option D, the government regulation. Correct option है option number A, the interaction of the market demand and market supply curves. Objective number 45. Which of the following best describe an excess demand situation? Option A, quantity supplied excess quantity demanded. Option B, quantity demand excess quantity supplied. Option C, the market is above the equilibrium price. Option D, the market price is the equilibrium price. Correct option है option number B, quantity demanded excess quantity supply. Objective number 46. If the demand for goods is perfectly inelastic, then option A, quantity demand remain the same regardless of the price. Option B, the demand curve is horizontal. Option C, the demand curve is upward sloping. Option D, the price elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Correct option है option number A, the quantity demand remains the same regardless of the price. Objective number 47. A shift to the right of the supply curve can be caused by option A, an increase in the price of inputs. Option B, a decrease in the price of goods. Option C, an improvement of production technology. Option D, an increase in the number of consumer. Correct option है option number C, an improvement of production technology. Objective number 48. The concept of diminishing marginal returns suggests that option A, as more unit of variable input are added to a fixed input, the additional output from each new unit of input will eventually decrease. Option B, total output will always increase as more input are added. Option C, the cost per unit of output will decrease as more units are produced. Option D, the total cost of production will decrease as more input are used. Correct option है as more unit of variable input are added to fixed input, the additional output from each new unit of input will eventually decrease. Objective number 49. If the government sets a minimum price for a good that is above the equilibrium price, this is known as option A, price ceiling, option B, a price floor, option C, a subsidy, option D, a quota. Correct option है option number B, the price floor. Objective number 50, the income effect of a price change refers to the option A, the change in quantity demanded due to change in the consumer real income. Option B, the change in quantity demand due to change in the price of related goods. Option C, the change in demand due to change in consumer preferences. Option D, the change in supply due to change in production technology. Correct option है option number A, the change in quantity demanded due to change in the consumer real income. Objective number 51, which of the following will lead to rightward shift in the demand curve for the goods? Option A, an increase in consumer income for a normal goods. Option B, a decrease in the price of goods. Option C, the decrease in the price of substitute goods. Option D, a decrease in the price of for a complementary goods. Correct option है option number A, an increase in consumer income for a normal goods. Objective number 51, in the concept of supply and demand, the term ceteris paribus means option A, all other factors remain constant. Option B, price are flexible. Option C, market are in equilibrium. Option D, all variable are held constant except for one. Correct option है option number A, all other factors remain constant. Objective number 53, which of the following would cause a movement along the supply curve for a good? Option A, change in technology. Option B, a change in the price of input. Option C, a change in number of sellers. Option D, a change in the market price for a good. Correct option है option number D, a change in the market price for a good. Objective number 54, if the price elasticity of demand for a good is less than 1, the demand is considered option A, elastic. Option B, inelastic. Option C, unitary elastic. Option D, perfectly elastic. Correct option है option number B, inelastic. Objective number 55, when the price of good increase and consumer buy less of it and more another good, it is known as option A, income effect. Option B, substitution effect. Option C, price effect. Option D, demand effect. Correct option है option number B, substitution effect. Objective number 56, a market is in equilibrium when option A, quantity demand equal to quantity supply. Option B, demand is greater than supply. Option C, supply is greater than demand. Option D, the government intervenes to set price. Correct option है option number A, quantity demand equal to quantity supply. Objective number 57, which of the following is not a determinant of supply? Option A, technology. Option B, price of the good itself. Option C, price of related goods. Option D, expectation about future prices. Correct option है option number B, price of the goods itself. Objective number 58, if a product has a very high price elasticity of demand, a small decrease in the price will option A, lead to large increase in quantity demand. Option B, lead to small increase in quantity demand. Option C, have no effect on quantity demand. Option D, lead to decrease in total revenue. Correct option है option number A, lead to a large increase in quantity demanded. Objective number 59, the price elasticity of supply measures option A, how much quantity supply respond to change in the price of goods. Option B, how much the price of goods responded to change in supply. Option C, how much demand respond to change in the price of the goods. Option D, the relationship between supply and demand. Correct option है option number A, how much quantity supply responds to change in the price of the goods. Objective number 60, a decrease in the number of sellers in a market will likely option A, shift the supply curve to the left. Option B, shift the supply curve to the right. Option C, increase the equilibrium quantity. Option D, have no effect on the